Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Roblox Account Manager. So if you want to use Roblox Account Manager, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So you can see over here in the Roblox, you can see no option for Account Manager. So if you want to use Roblox Account Manager, what you have to do is open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now in the description box below I have provided you a link. All you have to do is click on the search bar and paste the link over here. Press enter. Here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. And here you can see option for download. All you have to do is click on this option. Now after it is downloaded, all you have to do is click on this download icon right over here in your Chrome. Click on this Roblox Account Manager. Now here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see Roblox Account Manager. Click on this folder. You'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see Roblox Account Manager over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now this kind of box will appear. All you have to do is click on the option Extract All. Now you'll have to select a destination and extract the file. In order to select the destination, all you have to do is click on the browse option right over here. Now choose the destination of your choice. Now click on the option select folder. Now click on the option extract. Now after it is completed, what you have to do is go to the destination that you saved the file in. Now click on Roblox Account Manager. Here you can see over here this kind of interface will be opened. Click on Roblox Account Manager. Now this kind of box will pop up. Now you have to select how you want your data to be secure. There are two options over here, default encryption and password locked. The recommended option is password locked. Click on it. Now you'll have to enter a password. Create a very strong password. Now click on this continue button. Click on OK. Now you'll have to confirm your password. Now click on continue. Now with this Roblox Account Manager, you'll be able to add multiple accounts on your Roblox. You can manage your Roblox account more easily. Managing Roblox account will be easier for you. If you want to add account, all you have to do is click on add account right over here. You can see over here you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to enter the username and your password. And your username will be shown in this box right over here. So that is how you use Roblox Account Manager. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.